Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at a it's called a Turbo Booster from Graco. That's who makes it. It's a Turbo Boost 2.0. It's a 2-in-1 high back booster seat. So when your child is ready for the next evolution for car seats, this is something that you need. It has two little cup holders, really easy, lightweight compared to the other one you had before. This is for 40 pounds to 100 pounds. That's what it's rated to for children. So 40 pounds to 100 pounds, you would need this far as next evolution of car seats. Again, from Graco. Take a quick look at it, see how to assemble it. Really easy to do, really lightweight, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Then we're going to put it in the car and show you how it looks there as well. Okay guys, so you can see here we got a couple different things to look at as far as assembly. We have the seat, we have now this is how it comes out of the box, the seat. We have this is the adjustable high back, and this is the back where the child sits in the back. So this slides underneath here. We're going to show you how to do that, and then we have the rest, the hands, the armrests. So the armrests are really easy to do. Just line them up like you see here. And just little pins that pop in here, and it's a little tough to begin with. Just get it lined up, and you can see, just push it down, and they snap right in here, just like that. And you're going to do the other side. Now these here you have to just put some pressure on. Just don't be afraid to push down, and then snap it right in just like that. So now these are all secured. Now I think the tricky part for me really was no tricky part, but I think I would assemble this first before snapping this in, or you can snap this in first and put this on after. I suggest putting this on first because you're going to kind of line this up like a key, and this goes in the bottom of here. Okay, so what you want to do is do it from the bottom. Let me show you, like a key. Okay, so that goes in like that. See that? Hopefully you can see that. So it goes in this way, and then you have to snap it up. So again, like a key, like that, and then you'll snap it up like this. Boom. That's all you have to do, and now you can adjust that. So that was easy, very, very easy. Now this part here slides in the back, right back here, and this just goes in this way here. These little grooves, and then this little patch here, this neck piece here, the back of the back goes behind the seat, and this will just tuck down beneath it. And that just snaps right in, just like that. So now you can adjust it. As your child gets taller, you can adjust the height. It's really just that easy to assemble this. I'll show you the back here real quick. It's a little lever right here to open and close that. And then you have a little latch right here. You just put this together. Again, really super easy. And they're pretty much done. Now, it does have a little strap adjustment. You can see, I'm gonna show you that in 1 second. So what you do is that you put the main strap here, the buckle, your seatbelt goes here, goes across the child's chest and bottom, okay? And then you just tuck it underneath the seat, and then the back of the side. I'll show you that when we get to the car and how to hook that up. So it's really easy, and it's super lightweight. The main thing when you're traveling, this is what you want to have. This is so much lighter than the other one. Now it does come also with a safety thing. I want to show you that one real quick here. The 2 screws. Let me show you that. Comes with the manual, of course. You can definitely read that at your leisure. So this comes off. So this is designed to push the seatbelt down more on the shoulder. That's what this is designed for. That's the idea behind that. So this helps push the seatbelt down. You can adjust this so it pushes the seatbelt onto the shoulder of the child. So if the child's too short, let's say, but heavy, has the right weight requirement, but not tall enough, you need this to help push that seatbelt down. Or you can just wrap it behind it, totally however you want to do it. Now these 2 screws here are designed to lock in the armrest. That's what that's for. And this just slides in the back, and you just push it through like this. And if you need it, you need it. If you don't, you don't. Totally up to you. You just run it through here like that. You can run it in the back of the seat. Totally up to you. But these screws go into here, right here, and that's how you screw that in and lock those down. So I'm going to go ahead and just put those screws in real quick. They're really easy to do. If you enjoyed this type of review, hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. If you enjoy this content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like. It means a lot to me. There will be a small link at the end of the video, and also there will be a QR code as well over here as well, and that helps support my channel. If you purchase this, it costs you nothing, but does help support me to content creator like myself to create more videos to help you make a decision when it comes to things like this. So I hope that helps, and I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. All right, let's screw these in and then continue. Okay, so I'm gonna just they're really easy. You can use a power screwdriver if you want to. I'm just gonna use a regular hand screwdriver. Really easy, and just that way you know that's not gonna come off. That's why you do that. Super important. I'm gonna do the other side. That way you can see. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I mean, this is pretty much self-supporting. What's going to hold this down is the seatbelt. The seatbelt and the child's weight keeps them from moving forward and moving at all. That's the idea behind it. And gives you a couple examples here on your children, how to adjust the belts. Right here, it shows you right here. Take a look at that. Here is the back, like I told you, make the adjustments to adjust the height. Again, all you have to do is move this up like that, up and down, and this raises the height of this chair, of this back. That's super easy to do. And then you have that extra belt piece if you want to add that on for safety if you need that. But my child does not need that, but you can definitely install this if you need to. Okay, let's go in the car and see how it looks. As you can see, I have it in the car. Basically, the car seat, the seat belt just slides in here like I told you before. Right under here, that's where that goes. And this back, let me just slide that in again. Make sure it's locked in. Then this goes over the child's lap, this here. Then you buckle it right on the other sides like that. That way the seat sits on the child's shoulder right here, and this sits in there. This goes on their lap. You can see how that works really well. And this child, you're not going to go anywhere. I mean, once they're buckled in here and you get everything snug up, this is not moving at all. Honestly, this is what you want to do. Again, if you need the height, you can adjust the height higher if you need to. The back of the seat. You got the hands here, and also I forgot to mention, of course, the cup holders. The kids love the cup holders. You got to have cup holders. There's two of them, one on each side. That way you can see there's two cup holders. Now that is quite awesome. I love that right there. This is a fantastic item. The kids are going to love it. You're going to be safe and you're going to travel, and it's going to be really awesome. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe like I said before. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you at the next review, and thanks for watching.